now walk by yourself in the dark, I'm going to kill you. So this is the poem I wrote while I was up waiting for him to call me back as I was sitting there. I'm still waiting for you. Your smile, your soul, your laugh, and your very being on the Green Line train. I'm still waiting for you to call me and tell me where you are, surprise me with the flowers that you promised. But I'm sure I'll never see that call. I'll never see your elfish grin on that green train line. I'll never see those wilted yellow flowers in your dark brown hands again because you walked home that night. But I thought black boys fly. Instead, they are shot down like geese during open season. Dead black boys are the main course in a 6-course meal to eradicate blacks from humanity's very existence. So stop one. Pit the ignorance against themselves, separate them into ghettos, and have them speak their own nigger tongues. Alienate them so they will never thrive together like we did with slaves. Just like that. Just like that. Step 2 through 5 is to barely keep the poor alive. Have the educated thrive aloof and uncaring for their darker brothers. Take over black entertainment television and show their girls how to pop it over for a real nigga. And show the boys that a real nigga needs a Glock and a bad girl and a pair of J's to roll up. So step 6. To repeat this for generation after generation after generation after generation until they become a endangered species. So cook them at 429 degrees on slow roast and watch their whole culture and community burn to the ground. I'll take my nigga sandwich to go, please. Because the hungry don't eat what they don't understand, so don't bite the hand that feeds you, just kill the black boy walking by. Why? Is violence the only shit you niggas can understand, so I invited him to an open mic. But the mic opened and spills the blood on the cold, hard pavement, 50 yards from his front door, 45 meters, 24 feet and 30 inches, and 365 days of never coming home again, found in the bellies of the ghetto. Foul-mouthed adolescents sit on corners with sagging pants and revealing tattoos of dead brothers. So there's another one to add tonight, a fallen angel. And so I'm still waiting for you, your smile, your laugh, your soul, and your very being on the Green Line train. I'm still waiting for you to call me and tell me where you are, surprise me with the flowers that you promised. And I'm sure I'll never get your call. I'll never see your elfish grin on that Green Line train. I'll never see your elfish grin on that Green Line train, and I'll never see your wilted flowers and your dark and brown pants again. Thank you.